Okay, today, October the 8th, 2024. We still got to be careful with our cataract surgery. We can't strain and bend over too much and everything yet, but we can start doing some of that a little bit. But yeah, we've got a bunch of stuff to do on Jeep's fans and other things. This Jeep is, I think it's ready for the winter. That got it squared away. New power steering pump, new radiator, water pump's a year old. I could get some air in a couple of these tires. I need a rear bumper with a tire rack. If anybody got one, I need it. I need it bad because that's a 215 tire and there's a spare. I need to get a 31 by 950 on the back here for a spare. We're going to get a battery for the van today. This Napa battery is 5 years old. The amp is having to charge a little bit higher than 14, so I'm going to go ahead and swap this battery out. We're going to continue working on this 98 5.9. I'm pretty sure it needs a fuel pump. We may drop this, try out our OB impact and drop this trailer hitch and skid plate off of this one. See about getting that fuel pump out of there. I want to keep looking for tires for this one, get tires for this one. Several things we'll be doing today, so bad as I hate working on vehicles. Yeah, and this van's got an oil leak. I think it's coming out of the oil pressure sending unit. We'll be taking the cover off the engine and it today and looking for that oil leak. So that's what we'll be doing most of the day today. But first off, we're going to go get a battery for the van and maybe a couple of other fluids or parts and get started. Shop Cat will be assisting us with everything today. So let's first off, before we leave out, let's go ahead and see what this thing's going to do as far as cranking. It's been cranking and running a little bit, and then like I say, the fuel, it just dies out. I'm pretty sure it's that fuel pump in the fuel tank and the gas tank. So let's see what it's going to do this morning. It's got other electrical issues all over the place. But according to the code, reading the code, this sending unit could be a partial cause of some of this other electrical issues. But let's see what it'll do. $2,500. Dying down, losing gas. There it goes. So there you go. I'm pretty sure it's the fuel pump's not completely dead, but it's going out. So if we don't strain too much, we may drop that fuel tank today and see about getting a fuel pump as well.